Hello and welcome to Banc Binary's Ahead of the Week report, bringing you all the important trading and market events for the 3rd to the 7th of February 2014. Don't forget that all times stated are Greenwich Mean Time. The trading week gets underway with an early release from Canberra at midnight. Australian building approvals figures are out, and the Aussie construction sector will be looking for a reverse to the negative postings we saw in December and January. Then it's over to the UK at 9:30 for a manufacturing PMI report from markets, and we close the day with more factory output data, this time from the US. That's the result of the Institute for Supply Management's monthly survey of purchasing managers at 3 p.m. Tuesday now, and we start at 3:30 in the morning with the Reserve Bank of Australia's cash rate for February. For traders of the Aussie dollar, this may be an interest rate decision to miss. Australian consumer prices rose by a surprising 0.8% in the last quarter of 2013, so a further cut in interest rates is highly unlikely this week. After that, it's back to London for another PMI report from markets, UK construction PMI at 9:30. Then we have a relatively quiet morning and afternoon with nothing of real significance until 9:45 p.m. and the release of labour figures from New Zealand. That's quarterly unemployment change and the unemployment rate for December 2013. Again, both out at 9:45. No Australian releases on Wednesday, so the trading day gets started at a much more civilised hour. UK services PMI out at 9:30 a.m. Next, it's our first look at Friday's NFP. The ADP non-farm employment change estimate comes out at 1:15, followed by Canadian building permits at 1:30. And we close out the day back in the States with the Institute for Supply Management's non-manufacturing PMI for January. That's at 3. On to Thursday now, and another early release from Canberra, and this one is really worth setting your alarm clock for. Australian trade balance is out at midnight. This always tends to generate multiple opportunities for binary options traders simply because of the historical inaccuracy of the analysts' forecasts. And we continue with international trade data in the afternoon with US and Canadian trade balances for December, both out at 1:30. While these simultaneous releases can open up decent opportunities on the loonie, keep an eye on the euro-dollar as US unemployment claims figures are also scheduled for release at 1:30. And so to Jobs Friday, employment change figures and the unemployment rate for Canada, the US unemployment rate, and of course non-farm payrolls. That concludes our roundup of the key trading events for the 3rd to the 7th of February. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more market analysis. Thanks for watching Ahead of the Week. Until next week, goodbye.